Hi mga ka-single and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, andito tayo ngayon sa 88 Hot Spring. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano makikita sa loob. So, syempre protocol, kailangan natin ng face shield and face mask. Binoble ko siya para mas-safe tayo. So, ayan. Mamaya daling ko kayo sa loob.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, we are already here at their entrance and safety protocols are strictly observed. They check if I have my face shield, they check if I have my face mask, and most of all, they put alcohol to my hands for safety purposes. They also check my bags if I have food on it because food is not allowed in here. Let's go inside and check which rooms and facilities do they have. Let's go ahead. You guys travel with me. I feel so alone. As I have said a while ago, food is not allowed in here. And let me show you their restaurant where you could buy your food. It could be dine-in, room service, or even take-out. So, haggard much, no? Pag dito travel ka talaga alone, tapos sobrang aga ng gising mo para makabiyahe ka agad. It's so nice here, guys. It's so relaxing. Yung tipong gusto mo munang lumimat sa lahat. This is the perfect place. So, ayan. They have day tour, but you have to pay for 500 pesos. The 500 pesos will serve as your entrance fee. You will have an unlimited access to their pools, nipa huts, and they even have some showers and lockers that are ready for you to be used. Tapos ako mag-ikot-ikot. Pinakita ko na sa inyo yung kanilang mga hot spring na pool kung saan kayo pwede maligo. Tapos bleed talaga tayo sa English. Pero nirequest kasi sa akin yun na kung pwede English kasi nga yung mga pupunta dito is international. Kasi nga meron silang daily tour dito for 500 pesos per head. You can stay in their nipa huts. You could also swim. You can roam around. You can take your selfies with your friends. And you can also stay here. So, may iba't iba nga silang klase ng room where you can stay. Siyempre, for additional persons, may additional yon. Pag, halimbawa, yung bedroom is for 2 persons lang, tapos mag-a-add ka ng isa pang tao or kaibigan. So, yun, may additional yon. I'll just put the link down below ng website nila para mas updated kayo dun sa mga prices. So, yun, napagod ako. This is my first time traveling. Hindi ko pala first time alone travel to. So, second time traveling alone. So, yung unang travel ko po na ako lang mag-isa is dun sa Japan. And this is the second one. So, dito sa Philippines. So, yun. Nakakapagod, guys. So, puna ako dito sa tabi and nagdadaldal ako kasi nahiya din ako mga ibang tao, tinitignan ako habang nag-vlog. So, yan. Sa ganito ako nakaupo. So, dito ako nakaupo. May mga nipahat kasi na ganyan. And, ayan. Sa ganyang white ako nakaupo dito. So, nagpapahinga ako. And then, later, inaantay ko lang yung room na pag-i-stayan ko kasi ililinis pa daw. So, for the meantime, dito muna ako mag-aantay habang nililinis pa yung kwarto para sa akin. So, yun. Yung food dito, kung magkano, depende. Pero, since Korean nga kasi yung owner nito, they have their kimchi. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung tsura ko, pulbos lipstick lang tayo ngayon. Kasi nga, kami na, pagigising ka na madaling araw, tapos may travel ka. Naligo naman ako huwag mo husgahan. Naligo ako. So yun, mag-blow dry ka ng hair, tapos sobrang nakakaantok ka sa biyahe. So, kaya ayan, haggard na siya inabot natin. So, yun nga. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung room pag once already na siya. Yung solo travel nga to, talagang pinagsiksikan ko yung gamit ko sa isang backpack na, ay, kailangan talaga, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan nandito na lahat. Isang backpack lang yung dadalhin ko. So, yun. Mamaya mag-room tour naman tayo. Dito na tayo sa aking bedroom. So, may libre silang dalawang water. Then, you can order some beverages if you need it. And then, we have a kettle, of course. 2 mugs. And, ayan. This is the only bag that I am bringing since this is a alone travel. And then, they have free soaps. And what's this? Conditioner. So, they also have some toothbrush and a tissue. And, of course, a free blower. You cannot take this home. Hello. You just borrow it. And it says here, no eating inside rooms. There will be a penalty if caught. So, yan. Bawal kumain dito sa loob. And they also have their massage. The Korean-style relaxation package 4-in-1. So, before it's 2,400. But now, that will be 1,200. So, you can use a sauna. You have a sauna, you have a body scrub, body massage, facial massage for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And here are special services. Maybe this one can be bathed inside the room. So, this is my room, my accommodation for tonight. So, this is my view outside. The bed was so big. This is actually made for 2 persons. But since single tayo, maluwag yung bed. So, I could definitely hang my clothes here. I have my towels here. What's there? Have my own towels. They have few hangers. In this space, there is a small cabinet where I could put my slippers and my shoes. There are also remotes for the television. So the television was here. So if this is your bedroom, it was there. Let me go ahead and check our toilet. For the toilet, I'll switch it on. So it's very simple. Not really looks like when I open it. It was very simple. So here is where you can take a bath. So there you go. You have tissue again. That's for free. So there you go. That's my toilet, towels, and my accommodation for tonight. So in our refrigerator, there are some stuff such as, what's this? This is a beer, San Miguel beer. So they also have some Coca-Cola, Sprite, and Royal, and the 2 water bottle. However, you can take all of this. However, you need to pay for it. And you can see the price here. So these 2 here are my free complimentary drinks. Okay, so if you doesn't like to pay, don't touch what's inside the fridge. So I'm in this room, hindi ko na sabihin ko na number niya. So here at 88 Hot Spring Resort. Hi mga ka-single! Bumalik na ako dito sa kwarto. So kumain niya ako kanina doon sa may restaurant. So hindi na ako nag-video-video doon kasi nahiya ako. So papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga food na in-order ko and lahat sila ang sarap. Tapos kung magtatanong kayo kung pwede silang dalhin sa room, ba may katulad ko, mag-isa lang ako.
Oh, come on!
So gusto mo bang dalhin natin ako sa room mo? Pwede naman. Hi, good afternoon. So, afternoon na, my God, nakatulog ako, tingnan yung tsura ko. So, magsisiming tayo. Siyempre, hindi ako magtutupis, yung simple lang. So, tara, swimming tayo.